Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix screen rotation not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here sensor test. First of all, install this sensor test app. After install this app, then search here accelerometer test. Now install this accelerometer test app. After install these apps, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.